Do you know that yawning can be contagious among animals? Most mammals can yawn. Usually, they open their mouths wide, accompanied by a deep breath and a full body stretch. Yawning in animals is related to the weight of their brains and the complexity of their nerves. Mammals with larger brains tend to yawn for a longer time, and when they yawn, it can be contagious among them. For some social or highly intelligent animals, when they see other individuals yawning, they can't help but yawn themselves. Moreover, the closer their relationship is with the source of the contagious yawning, the stronger the contagion effect. But interestingly, dogs not only imitate their companions yawning, but they will also exhibit the same behavior when they see humans yawning.